And so with that, I want to bring up Tom LaBonge, the chair of
Arts, Parks, Health, and Aging.
Arts, Parks, Health, and Aging. Thank you, Mr. Mayor. Give Mayor Villalobos a big hand right there, Mayor, right there. And I want to say, as the mayor did, Dr. Jonathan Fielding and all the staff of the county health department, a giant county, the largest county in the United States, handles the health for the people. And this is a major step forward. And so many people who are seated in the chairs or around came to committee after committee after committee to voice the concern. And it was a march. And I want to give a shout out to the late, great Marvin Browdy, who was the first at the Los Angeles City Council to ban smoking in elevators. Believe it, we used to smoke in elevators, and then in markets, and then on buses, all the way down. It's transformed us. It will make us a better person to not have this. And also, as you mentioned the beaches, Mr. Mayor, I know you're a champion of the environment, clean beaches. How many of those, I'm not going to say it, B-U-T-T-S, go down the drain onto the beach into the water? It's terrible. So we can clean up our city as well. So I'm pleased to stand here along, as you mentioned. Give Greg Smith a great hand, and John Lee, as Deputy Mayor, Councilman Smith, great thing. Bernard Parks was very instrumental in helping this as well. But this is a great step. And I say to my Korean friends, come samnida chingu. It's okay to go out and dine, but fresh air dining is more important. And the last thing I'll say, I'll ask you all to join with me right now. Let's take a good breath of fresh air. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's hear it. Smoke-free LA. Here we go. There it is, right there. All right. Oh, John, you're too good.
He knows how to do it.
Thank you.
He knows how to get in the picture.
And as the mayor said about LA Live, you'll be LA Live if you don't smoke. Thank you.
We want one more, Jonathan.
You want one more?
One more. Okay. Thank you.
There we go.
Feel enthusiastic? It's now a great pleasure for me to introduce Tim Whiteman, who is the marketing manager of ESPN Zone. Tim.
All right, Tim. Thank you. We're your defensive back.
Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the staff and management of ESPN Zone LA Live, as well as AEG, we want to welcome you here to the Nexus of Sports and Entertainment, LA Live. I am happy and proud that this place is being chosen as the nexus for this announcement. We applaud the City of Los Angeles for implementing smoke-free outdoor dining and fully support this new policy. ESPN Zone LA Live has already implemented this since we opened 2 years ago, and our diners appreciate coming to a place where they can grab a meal or a drink in a great outdoor setting and not be bothered by secondhand smoke. We're thrilled that the residents of Southern California can enjoy all the restaurants, bars, and entertainment that LA Live have to offer in a healthy, smoke-free environment. Smoke-free outdoor dining has been a very positive experience for us, and I fully expect other dining establishments, both on campus and throughout the city, to have the same great results as we have enjoyed. So again, I thank you for coming, and we hope to see you here, outdoor, indoors, at LA Live. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you.
And now I'd like to introduce Dean Schwartz, who's a restaurant owner and owns Deano's Gourmet Pizza, and can give you a personal perspective.
All right, Deano.
Thank you.
In historic farmers market. Put a plug in for the market.
Good morning. I am a citizen advocate. I'm not paid to be here. I never have been since day one. I'm compelled to be here. This policy was the result of a long fight, but as an American, a patriot, protecting diners and workers from the deadly effects of secondhand smoke was a fight worth fighting for. I'm a victim. I grew up in a family where both parents smoked. I left home at the age of 16 and found myself employed in the bar and restaurant business. I spent 20 years
And during those 20 years, I was exposed to secondhand smoke, and it has changed my life. It has left me with respiratory problems and weakened immune system. Every day for me is a challenge. But I'm a survivor. I have turned my pain into passion. Today I'm the proud owner of Deano's Gourmet Pizza in the original Farmers Market, Los Angeles. And I love reaching out to the schools, the children. Thousands of children every year come to the Farmers Market, and I am able to host them with a field trip, show them how to make pizza, teach them about healthy cooking and healthy life. I am driven to create a world where secondhand smoke is no longer part of any child's development. I'm a businessman also, and even though I'm a small business owner, I can tell you the same thing that drove Starbucks, Weston, Sheraton, and the Marriott to go 100% smoke-free. It's simply good business. Every city that has enacted this same ban, it has been a boom for business. With fewer and fewer people smoking and awareness of the deadly consequences of tobacco growing, consumers are seeking out smoke-free environments in all their shopping decisions. Today, I'm extremely proud to be a part of this historic moment signaling the end of outdoor dining areas being considered the designated smoking sections for restaurants. I'm proud to be standing alongside elected officials, public health advocates, who have a great vision for the city of Los Angeles, and that they are the forefront of healthy living and a positive social norm. I'm also proud, I'll repeat that, I'm also so proud to be here with my fellow coalition members. They embraced me. They understood my struggles. And they helped turn my anguish into action. I came into this a victim, and now we are victorious. I thank you.
Tell people where you are. Do it in Fairfax again. Mention it. Come to your place for pizza.
And our final speaker has not only a very important role, but confided in me that she is working very, very hard to do something that not many of us try and do, and that is work herself out of a job. Because she is a cardiovascular surgeon, and she is seeing the ravages of tobacco. So it's a real pleasure to introduce Dr. Kathy Magliato to talk with us on behalf of the American Heart Association.
All right, Kathy.
Wow, such passionate men. Where have you been all my life? I'm so moved, aren't you? You know what's great to see? What's great to see is there's not a smoker in the crowd. Did you guys notice that? Except for that one guy back there who I saw light up. And I want to tell that person to please put your cigarette out. Because guess what, guys? Come Tuesday, we are putting cigarettes out all over Los Angeles. And that's a beautiful thing, right? That's a beautiful thing. And in fact, you know, the city has a long heritage of protecting non-smokers from secondhand smoke, and the mayor really alluded to that, talking about banning smoking at beaches, banning smoking at parks and farmers markets. I think that's amazing. And other cities have been doing this. You know, other cities have this law, Culver City, Pasadena, Santa Monica. Guess what? It's Los Angeles' time. It's our turn to have this law, and I am just so proud that this city has adopted the smoke-free outdoor law. Unbelievable. But I want you to see this just for a moment from my standpoint, because, you know, as you were told, I'm a heart surgeon. I treat patients every day with heart disease and lung cancer that's totally due to secondhand smoke. Can you even imagine what it's like to sit across from a patient who has no risk factors for heart disease or lung cancer except that they either live with a smoker or they're exposed to secondhand smoke? That is a tremendous burden because these people are innocent victims. Where's my buddy Dean? You're innocent victim, as you said, with your mom and dad. I mean, that's astounding to me because what I don't know that people realize is that secondhand smoke increases your risk for heart disease and lung cancer by 30%. 30%. That is an astounding number to me. And it's something that we can do something about that number, which is incredible. And the American Heart Association's position on this is crystal clear. We want a comprehensive smoke-free environment in the workplace and in every public environment within the city, and we're going to have that. We're going to have that on Tuesday. The American Heart Association's impact code, by the way, our goal is to reduce death from cardiovascular disease by 20% and improve our health, our cardiovascular health, by 20%. And we have to do that by 2020. That is our impact goal. Well, that's a long journey for us between today and 2020. But that journey begins with a single step, and that single step is today. And so I'd like to thank the mayor personally and from the American Heart Association for all of your wonderful work with getting this law passed. And I'd like to also thank Greg Smith. I understand he's not here today. Or did he show?
His deputy is.
Oh, his deputy. Oh, you'll thank him for us. So thank you so much. Come on, John. So thank you for his vision and his leadership, and of course to thank Tom as well for really seeing this law through. So thank you so much for inviting us today from the American Heart Association. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So this is a big day. March 8th is the beginning of outdoor dining with fresh air as the best side dish. And the mayor and I are now going to affix what you're going to see on every restaurant, which is in every restaurant with an outside patio or a food court, whatever, says you can't smoke within 10 feet of this. And then for mobile food trucks and carts, you can't smoke within 40 feet of that. And we're going to make sure that that signage is very clear. We're going to put those signs up right now.
All right.